Hello everyone. Welcome to class. I'm Miss Fowles. Welcome, welcome. We are going to have a day of vocabulary. 5 words, only 5. Yes, indeed, math. Geometry. I know you're looking forward to this. Make sure you have paper and a pen or pencil out to take notes. Ready? Let's do this. Come on over here. Here's our first word of the day. It's congruent angles. Please do not forget, again, when we talk about the angles, we're talking something of that nature, okay? Something like this, okay? Congruent angles have the same angle. So you're going to deal with more than just one. Example. Now, ignore my artwork. It's not perfect. Sorry. We have a G and an S. You could have a T and an R. Whatever letter you want. Okay? And each of these angles, right here, see right here, is 42 degrees. That's what we mean with congruent angles. Both of these, when you look at that angle, they equal 42. Okay? Any questions about that? So the key here is same angle. You can't have 142 and 144. It does not work. They both must be 42. Okay, let's move on to the second one here. Pythagorean Theorem. Yes, indeed. Can you believe it? There's a man out there years ago who now has a theorem named after him. And the gentleman's name was Pythagoras. Exciting, isn't it? Yeah, I think so. Okay. The square of the hypotenuse of a right triangle. Now, don't forget, right triangles. Okay? All right. Is equal to the sum, remember, we got to add it up, of the squares of the other two sides. Here we go. Look at the drawing. So we have a right triangle. See? Okay. Remember, I call it the box, but if we see that box, then we can think right triangle. Okay. We label this side A. We label the bottom, the straight line, B, and then the line opposite would be C. Okay, it says what? Equal to the sum of the squares. We got to square it. So what does that mean? We have to double it. Okay, let's write out the equation. So we take the A squared, the little 2 at the top, plus B squared makes what? This line right here, C squared. So, to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Okay, so we have A and B will equal the C. So when you have a problem, that's a Pythagorean problem, you would have numbers, you could fill it in, have an A and a C, and you would find the B. Okay, so that's what you would do with this equation. Questions? No? Okay, then we're ready to move on to straight angle. I mean, this is an easy one. Woo! Like that. 180 degrees, that's it. Okay, an angle that equals 180. Okay, so you have the line, straight line, and again, here's an angle. And it equals 180. Don't forget, we label with the points. Angle right here, 180 degrees. Remember, it's straight. Okay. Supplementary angles. Woo! We're moving on so fast. Now, those are two angles that, yes, they're supplementary. How are they supplementary? Because they add up to what? 180. So you've got one that's straight line, and then you've got an angle. And here it is. One is 60 degrees, which means what? If it's going to equal 180, this portion must be what? Yes, exactly, 120. Good job. So it's 120 plus 60 degrees will equal your 180. That's what we mean with supplementary. Between the two. That's supplementary. When we supplement, we put together more than one. So we usually put two things together. Okay. Vertical angles. See? Those are angles, they're opposite of each other. Are the angles opposite each other with two lines cross? Whoop! Two lines are crossing. They're opposite of each other, as in this drawing. Here's your A. Everyone see that? So we could say, here's my A. This whole arm is the A. This whole arm down there is the B, as in right here. And the angles are right there. So your A is right here. And the B is right there. Okay? And those are considered vertical angles. Because opposite each other when two lines cross. Think of it like that. Putting the two arms together. Okay. Any questions? No? Okay. Well, I have an assignment for you. No. No, I don't want you to send me your notes. That's okay. I want you to do something else. On paper. And it is due today. So as soon as you've got this done, send it immediately to where? Up there. My address. I want you to create. In other words, do your own work. Don't use what I've got on the board. Your own drawings of congruent angles and supplementary angles. Do you understand? Look at my examples and come up with your own examples. But please label congruent, supplementary. I don't want to have to guess. I think this is supplementary. No, wait a minute, it's congruent. I don't want to guess. So label your drawings. They are your own drawings. Keyword, or I should say keywords, your own. Okay, do today. I hope you have a great day. Till next time, bye-bye.